video. Maybe I was supposed to go post this in my other account. His name is Jen Lavarit. I don't remember. But seriously, listen, if I do a video on that account and this account, it's always the same wallpaper, okay? But sometimes I'll change the wallpaper. Okay, so later I need to do this quick because it's already going. So you want to make a voice become a robot? Well, here's the thing. It doesn't plus all of the everyday characters, but you need to learn by yourself, man. You need to learn by yourself on how. Okay, get audacity. AUDACITY. You hear me? Okay. So you can do the voice Freddy. Okay, so you can do the voice Freddy, Bonnie, Chica, Foxy, or Golden Freddy by yourself. In fact, Golden Freddy is the most easiest one. But I can't make the voices repeat. So yeah, robot. Oh, they robot. So you need to jam. Okay. So you need my family's here. So you need to record your video. Shh. I'll be back. Shh. Why are you so annoying, Chin? Oh gosh, ignore them. Ignore the freaking stupid sister. But that's my brother, little sister. She keeps making noises and crying like nobody can. Ha ha ha. You heard that? Ha. Okay, so let's record our voice. I don't think I can do it a voice, but I'm gonna think of the voice first. After 1 hour of thinking later. Okay, so I'm thinking of we can do a song. Okay, so yeah, let's. Start. Now in 3, 2. I'm about to fall apart, already halfway there, so I guess that's start. I'm just a children's toy for all the girls and boys to make me down and put me back together. Oh, the joy now! I hang for all the wires that I swing onto whoever's watching us on the night, so I can take a bite of the view. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, gonna have effect, change pitch. If you want to change the pitch, then this one's optional. You can do it or not do it. So let's just go to change pitch. I'm gonna for the deeper voice. Okay. That's really good. Okay, so 1 is almost good. I need 3, so that's 1 indigos. Wow. Go. So let's hear it. So sorry. Whoever's watching us on the night, so I can take a bite out of you. Let's repeat it. So it's still the same, but I like it. Okay, so why do I keep saying so? Foxy, be here. Foxy, be here. here. So, so yeah, that's all. Now, for people who don't know how to use this, remember for laying time, you do 0.04, and the decay factor, it is 0.6. So now, let's go. This was a great round. I suggest you just wait while we are hearing this guy's voice. I'm not patient! Oh, come on. Ahoy, maybe! It's me, Foxy! And I can do Foxy voice and a chica voice and a golden freddy voice and a Bonnie voice and a Freddy voice, but they're not robotic, so yeah. Robot's voice is good. I'm a fan of it. I use my imagination. I use my brain to do imagine him every single day. 70 hours a day. Okay. Now, what's this? That's awesome. So, I want it to be loud. No? Let's change pitch. Or is it that deeper voice? We have 7 minutes. We're not gonna waste anything. Yeah. Here it is. Was it great or not? I think you need to make your voice loud. That's because I don't have a microphone. I'm sorry, I could make my voice broken if it's like this. I'm gonna save this on pictures. Microphone. Well, maybe. I'm still into typing and stuff. I hope you pay attention. Don't tell me I need to repeat that. Or if you want to go for body voice. Wow. I think you can do my part. I think you can find my part 2 on the other channel. Okay, so it takes a bit of time, but see ya!